This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python for placement. Focus on building a strong foundation in Python. Understand core concepts like data types, variables, and control flow. Then, dive into object-oriented programming, mastering classes, objects, and inheritance. Dedicate time to practicing fundamental algorithms and data structures, as these are crucial for technical interviews. Aim for at least 2 to 3 hours of dedicated study each day. Next, concentrate on essential data structures and algorithms. Familiarize yourself with arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, trees, and graphs. Crucially, grasp Big O notation to analyze algorithm efficiency. Practice solving a significant number of coding challenges, aiming for at least 100 problems on platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank to solidify your understanding and problem-solving skills. To demonstrate your skills, build practical projects. Aim for 3 to 5 small to medium-sized projects that showcase your Python proficiency. This could involve creating a simple web application using Flask or Django, or developing a data analysis tool. Document your code well and host your projects on GitHub. This provides tangible evidence of your abilities to potential employers. Finally, prepare for technical interviews. Engage in mock interviews to get comfortable with the format and pressure. Review common Python-specific interview questions, including those on design patterns and system design. Crucially, practice articulating your thought process and solutions clearly and concisely. Strong communication is just as vital as technical knowledge in securing a placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.